know. I guess the question is like, why do we take people or the people we care about for granted sometimes?
People, because they're just there sometimes. Like sometimes you never notice the impact that they have on your life until they're not doing it anymore, until you're missing it.
It's like the same thing with the whole, you don't know, like when you lost something. Yeah.
They paved paradise and put up a parking lot.
Yeah. Okay.
Or maybe you just treated the person so well that they got so used to it. So they think that's normal. It's normal. They think that's what they deserve without even deserving. So I guess, yeah, that's so dark.
Camila?
Yeah, I was saying that I agree with Bernie because we are like routinary people and we like to think that life is gonna be the same way every day, but it's not. So when it changes, it hurts because you're not ready for the changes.
And because you expect the person to be there always.
Yeah. Yep. Oh God.
And then you feel like, since you think you deserve the person, when the person is gone, you feel like it's a person's fault. And then it goes round and round.
Yeah, man. What you guys said just really hit. And sorry for like this is like the first question of the podcast. Welcome to Vision Therapy.
What up? It's everything's $150 an hour. Thank you.
So, but because what you guys said just reminded me of like when I was the more recent one when my son and his mom moved to another state, and I had a whole year to kind of prepare for it. But even though I knew it was coming, it just didn't feel real until the 2 days I was helping them move and pack. And then that really hit. I'm like, I'm not going to see my son every day anymore. I'm not picking him from school. He's obviously still alive, but I visit him once a month. But the thing is, it's like now the person you're spending time with is confined because now there's a beginning and end. And it's always rough for me driving back because it's like, God, I'm not gonna do this right now, man.
We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Whoever's editing this, zoom in on his face. Thank you.
Yeah. it's always rough because it's like you it's time you don't get back, and then I don't know. Okay, I stopped just in time before the waterworks came, but yeah. I don't know. That's just an interesting thought and a good question. I thought I'd hear you guys. And anyone else want to add anything to that?
I think it's also because we just forget that time has an end to it. And especially with our loved ones, we just like go by every day. Like, oh yeah, I'm going to see them.